Hello everyone, my name is Anushka.
And my name is Tanya.
Today we are going to start short conversation. So let's start. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Tanya. And what is your name?
My name is Anushka. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
In which school do you study?
I study in Government College Secondary School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is math teacher.
What do you do after school?
I do homework and playing with my friends.
What time you go to sleep?
I sleep at 8:30 o'clock.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing to cricket.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.